What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I got a couple things that I'm gonna be doing today. I'm at the car wash trying to get my car clean, washed, and waxed. But I ordered these lights, LED lights from Amazon I think they came in last week. So I figure out why not, if I'm about to clean my car, why not just get them installed. It's nothing too crazy. It's just the inside LED lights, and then the back. I think the back, not the tail light, but the license plates cover lights or something like that. So that I gotta change, but I'm not gonna change that today because I also order. I'm gonna show you guys when I go outside, but I order like the actual blacked out bulb. It's like the cover pretty much. So I just want to be able to do it once I get that coming. So I'm gonna just do the inside today, but I'm gonna give you guys a walk around on. We've been having a shitty effing weather out here in PA. So today, one of them days where it's like, damn, it seems like it's gonna pour after I get done cleaning my car. But you know what? Oh well, because my car is dirty right now. I just don't feel comfortable, or I don't feel right when I sit in a dirty car or clean, or like a. Just, you know what I'm talking about, being in a car that's dirty. For me, I just don't feel okay with it. But about to clean my car. I'm about to get these installed. First thing, got to try to set up my camera and see how I'm going to be able to do this, because I do not have any kind of correct. All right, so I'm gonna have it sitting up. I have it sitting up like this. I'm a one-man army right now, so try to get in the way where I'm gonna start off with the top one up front. So this one right here. So I'm gonna start off with that. Start right with that. I know it's a weird angle, but I gotta do what I gotta do yet. So apparently this is so I just open it up. So this has the map light, the dome light, the footwell light, license plate light, which I need, glove box light, that I don't have right now, vanity mirror lights, I think that also I don't have right now. So the dome light, I think, is the one that I need right now. So I'm gonna pop that open. I do believe it's like two of them. So zip. Take it out the pack. All right. Make sure this is off. Hopefully I don't break this. All right, wow, that was easy. The only thing, damn, this might be different. Yeah, this is a lot different. Dang, that sucks. I don't know. Might not be. I turned the light off. Let me see on this side how it is. Kind of a weird angle though. But I gotta do what I gotta do. Alright, pop that one off. Just gotta be very gentle. I ain't trying to break these. So I'll show you guys right now. So I don't know if, well, I think it might be. It's just an older style bulb, that's all. I don't know if these popped out or turned, yeah, these are pretty small. It's like kind of hard for me to be able to get to. Because I got huge fingers. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Don't know. Oh, yeah, none of my tools on me. know the thing about it, this should be, you will think this, I did this before in my 3rd gen. It was pretty easy to do. But these bulbs that's in here look like some kind of ancient bulbs that I never seen in a long ass time. Surprised that these shit is in this car for 2014. And trying to take this ish off is definitely, I don't know. I'm trying to really see how I can grab them out because my fingers is way too big. Yeah, I most definitely got the bulb though, but most definitely got the bulb. The only thing is taking this off. All right, let me try to show you guys what I'm talking about. So if you guys, let me try to get my camera to focus. All right, so you guys can see, I don't know if I'm doing it the right way, but I'm pretty sure normally you just reach in there and be able to grab them out without me having to take all of this out, which is gonna kind of be a pain, so I really don't want to do that. But those are the bulbs right there. You guys see my hands, how huge my hands is? Cannot fit in that tiny spot. So give me 1 second, let me see what I gotta do. So after a couple minutes of struggling to take these out, if you got a 2014 or 4th gen RAM and you can't fit your hands into these, just use, like, I end up putting like some kind of tape around the bulb to give me a little bit of a grip, and then I just wiggle and got them out. So that's the easy way you could be able to do it, or you can find another way. But these are the bulbs right here. Well, this one. This is the bulb, and apparently I just realized that these are not in here with the kit that came. Well, these did not came with the kit, so I'm gonna have to put my old ones back. The only one that came is this one. That's for the back, so I'm gonna just put these on. It sucks, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna have to order new ones. Good thing these still work though, but just to keep in mind, taking these off is a pain in the ass, especially if you got big fingers. Not clean this thing in such a long time, probably 2 weeks. Dirt everywhere. Still waiting on the mirror to come in. I think it should be here Monday, so I can replace that. And yeah, I can definitely tell does need some cleaning. Back ain't too bad. Meaning the outside though. The full walk around. Back is dirty. So but yeah, I'm about to give this thing a nice wash. Ain't the best day, but I definitely gotta get her clean. Can't be driving like that. Try to set up my camera somehow. y'all, after some time, took me a little bit, took me like at least almost an hour, 45 minutes. Clean the outside of my truck, as you guys seen. Clean the inside. Really, I didn't get a chance to clean the inside because it's effing cold outside, man. But I wanted to just wait, hold it out yet, and because I got so much stuff in my car now. But I want to take them stuff out, and then I'm gonna come back, go later on to a different car wash and clean the inside. Just ain't want to take everything that's on the inside. I have to drop it off, do all of that. So, but installing my interior LED lights, I just found out that apparently this kit that Amazon claimed that is for 09 to 18 Dodge Ram 1500. Apparently none of these fit anything in my car. So I'm gonna be sending this back to Amazon. Sucks, but I gotta do what I gotta do. Also, I'm gonna have to order a new one now, so it is what it is. But I still gotta wait for the tail light, not bulb, but like the smoke LED. I think it's like license plate light or something like that to come in. So still gotta wait regardless. So it is what it is. Not a big deal. But in the meantime, got some work done. Cleaned up the inside. Well, cleaned up the outside of my truck. It was very nasty. So now it's nice and clean. And I'm actually about to get up out of here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.